Good morning, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. From the very first video I published in August 2022, chronicling our incredible 2019 trip to Singapore and Bali, to this very moment, my journey as a YouTube content creator has been a whirlwind of excitement, nerves, and endless learning. That initial video was a mix of emotions. My narration, graphics, and editing felt just okay, I guess, but it was a start. I remember feeling so excited and nervous at the same time. It felt like stepping into a new world, one where I could share our experiences with the world and connect with people who shared similar interests. Really, really exciting. Following that, our cruise to Greece in June 2022 added another layer to my budding channel. The beautiful landscapes, the rich history, and the vibrant culture of this amazing country of Greece provided a wealth of content. Every video was a new challenge, and with each upload, I learned something new. I experimented with different editing techniques, which I am so unfamiliar with, tried to improve my narration, and worked on making my videos more engaging. So fast forward to June 2024. After more than 80 long-form videos, over 100 shorts, accumulating over 650,000 views on the channel, 12,000 watch hours, and nearly 4,000 subscribers, I finally became a bona fide YouTube partner. This milestone means that I am now monetized as a content creator, a dream come true. It's hard to put into words how much this achievement means to me. It's not just about money, though that certainly helps. It's about validation, about knowing that all the hard work, the late nights, and countless hours spent creating content have paid off, or at least started to pay off. The journey had its ups and downs, doubts, goodness gracious, frustrations, and fears. There were times when I questioned whether it was even worth it, whether anyone was actually watching or caring about my content. But what kept me going were my reasons and newfound passion for content creation, especially about travel and individual sports. Initially, my motivation was to document nice travels, experiencing new things, and learning about different cultures and ourselves. These videos would serve as a treasure trove of memories to rekindle joy when we're a little bit older in our later years. So one of the most rewarding aspects of this journey has been discovering a passion for editing, learning, and continuously improving. I had no idea that I had patience, passion, and eagerness to learn about editing, like editing. So unheard of for me. It's a skill that I've come to love and one that I'm constantly trying to improve. The desire to be better at it, to create content that I'm proud of, has been a driving force throughout this journey. And content creation allowed me to share our lives as a gay married couple, hoping to encourage other LGBTQ plus individuals to embrace their stories, whether on YouTube or in their daily lives. This aspect of our channel has been incredibly important to us. It's about representation. It's about showing that love is love, no matter who you are or who you love. We've received so many messages from people who have found comfort and inspiration in our videos, and that has been incredibly rewarding. The world sometimes can often feel like a harsh place, especially for LGBTQ plus individuals. We face unique challenges, prejudices, and struggles that can make it seem like, the world is against us. But through our videos, we've sought to highlight the goodness in the world, the kindness of strangers, and the beauty of diverse cultures. We've shown that no matter where you go, you can always find love, acceptance, and understanding. The monetization is definitely a blessing, and I continue to manifest growth in that aspect. But my love for creating content will always come first. It's about my passion, right? About doing something that I love and sharing it with the world. Little money is a nice bonus, but it's not the main reason why I do this. I do it because I love it, because it brings me joy, and because it allows me to connect with people from all over the world that I would not have otherwise been able to reach. Starting a YouTube channel at 50, yeah, 50, was both daunting and exhilarating. Society often tells us that certain opportunities are reserved for the young, but that simply isn't true anymore. At 50, I found this new passion, a new way to express myself in a new community. My age brought a wealth of life experience, stories, and perspectives that younger creators might not have. It was never too late to start, and I'm very grateful for every moment I've spent on this amazing journey. So, throughout my life, I've tried many other side hustles in the digital space. Each venture started with enthusiasm, but eventually fizzled out because the passion was short lived. This one, however, is different. After 80 long form videos, as I mentioned earlier, over 100 shorts, and nearly 4,000 subscribers, I still feel the same excitement and drive that I had at the beginning. So this is more than just a hobby or a side hustle. It's a calling for sure. Now at 52, I know I have much more to share in terms of life lessons and learning from the experiences I gain as a content creator. There's a lot of wisdom, right, that comes with age, and I'm excited to share that with my audience. And I hope that one of you will find a connection with me, my husband, our cultural backgrounds, our beginnings, our daily struggles, and our quest to understand the world better. So we strive to learn from others and consistently practice kindness at every opportunity. And, you know, we've had our share of challenges, but we've always tried to face them with a positive attitude and a willingness to learn, whether it's navigating the complexities of editing software, dealing with technical issues, or simply trying to find the right balance between our personal lives and our YouTube channel. We've always tried to approach each challenge with a sense of curiosity, I guess, and a desire to improve. And I think one of the biggest lessons I've learned is the importance of persistence. There were times when it felt like we were shouting into the void, right? When it seemed like no one was watching or caring about our videos. But we kept going, kept creating, kept pushing forward, and eventually our hard work paid off little by little. And there have been days when I felt overburdened by, with the problems and issues, where everything seemed overwhelming. And on those days, the idea that I could create something beautiful kept me going. It was the spark of creativity that pushed me to take the first step, to think about an idea, map it out in my head, and start working on it. The process of creating something from nothing, of transforming an idea into a tangible piece of content was incredibly, incredibly therapeutic. It gave me a sense of purpose and accomplishment, even on the toughest days. So, as I continue to create content that interests me outside of my usual niche, I found that audience reactions can be quite varied. While channel building is still, ongoing, and my channel is small with views ranging from a little over 100 to almost 100,000 a video, I am not deterred, but rather inspired to learn more and do more. Exploring different topics and styles has been both challenging and rewarding. It has pushed me out of my comfort zone and allowed me to grow as a creator. And seeing how my audience responds to these new ventures has been fascinating and has given me valuable insights into what resonates with them. So beyond content creation, my life has been enriched by a diverse professional background. As a military veteran, I have learned discipline and resilience. As a licensed registered nurse with a master's degree in nursing, I have gained a deep understanding of compassion and care. My law degree has equipped me with critical thinking and advocacy skills, and my doctorate in education has instilled in me a passion for teaching and learning. Nearly 3 decades of professional experience have shaped my worldviews, right? And influenced the way I approach content creation. And these skills and education guide me in creating content that is thoughtful, meaningful, and impactful. Mindfully, though, practicing giving myself grace on bad days has been essential. There are times when things don't go as planned, when technical issues arise, when simply I just don't feel my best. And during these moments, I remind myself that it's okay to have bad days. It's important to be kind to ourselves, to acknowledge that we are human, and that it's okay to take a break. This self compassion has been crucial in maintaining my passion and drive for content creation. It's sort of creating a good balance. And additionally, I am deeply appreciative of many YouTubers, both small and big channels, who have shared their wisdom and expertise. You know, the YouTube community is, gosh, it's incredibly supportive, believe it or not. And I have learned so much from fellow creators. Their generosity in sharing tips, advice, and encouragement has been invaluable. It's a reminder that we are all in this together, right? And that there is always room for all of us, and that there is always someone willing to lend a hand and help us grow. So if you're contemplating joining the world of content creation, remember, there's really no day like today to start. If I did it, if millions of others have done it, so can you. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take the first step, create that first video and put it out into the world. Because you never know who you might inspire, who you might connect with, or what opportunities might come your way. It's never too late to acknowledge your evolution. But the best part is acting upon what that tells your heart to do. Starting a YouTube channel later in life has shown me that every stage of life holds its own potential for growth, potential for discovery. We all have unique stories and perspectives, and they all deserve to be shared. And age should never, ever be a barrier to following your passions. So thank you for being part of this journey with us. Your support, your comments, your likes, your dislikes, and your views mean the world to us. We couldn't have done this without you. And we mean that. And here's to many more adventures, many more videos, and many more memories. Let's keep exploring, learning, and creating together. And remember, no matter what challenges you face, no matter how many obstacles are in your way, keep pushing forward. Keep chasing your dreams. Keep doing what you love and keep sharing your story because your story matters. You matter, and the world needs to hear your voice. So go out there and make your mark. I believe in you, and I can't wait to see what you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.